the red ones because it's really big.
Cool, huh?
How long is this gonna go on? All night?
I doubt it, baby.
As long as they don't run out of fireworks.
About to drop about $5 grand right now.
How are they doing?
It was gold with purple tips.
It ain't even the 4th yet.
Well, a lot of people probably have to work Monday.
They gotta work.
Just drop it.
I didn't say they did, but they said